Greg. We're going to go over the labels in a second video. So this video only concentrate on the pack out and not the labeling. Okay, so here's the lid. You're going to take the lid off. We have the top pad that we all talked about, that UPS recommended that we use. We put that on there. We have slip sheets in the bottom here to stop the unit from shifting. Slip sheets on top to stop it from scuffing. You have your left and right side panels. You have your tape. Yeah, let me show them that. You have your tape on the parts.
Where were these shifted to? Here or battery?
Then you have slip sheets here. Guys, yeah, that's necessary. So 3 slip sheets. Then you have your box, which open that up while we're going through the rest of this, Lupe. Open that up over there and Abby can pull those out. You have your 2 fillers. You have your slip sheet that covers your header. You have your extrusion on both sides.
Yes, we are. A hardware. So inside.
Racks open.
And then every plastic.
Then you have your left and your right side panel. You have your inserts, your chip inserts that support it for all of the hooks. And we're making sure with QC that all of these are popping out. You place your hook in there and these all fall out, so that's fine. I checked that myself. You have your clips that are all oriented in the right position. There's the back side of it. Okay. Good. Your other one. And then you have, oh yeah, we need slip sheets for that. Slip sheets to cover the film lamb base. And you have your 4 fillers. And then you have your, that's a nice plate.
And then there are
and you have your 4 headers. I mean, yeah, lug-ons, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4.